Hey everybody, so let's talk Jaclyn Hill's Vault palettes. Can we just say amazing? I have a few pros, I have a few cons, but let's get started on how to create this look. Starting with my skincare essentials, these are all items that I got from my local store called New Leaf. It's kind of like a Whole Foods, and they have a skincare aisle and they're really great on the skin. I don't break out from any of these. My skin's normal to combination, but since I'm pregnant, I'm pretty sensitive. Glowing! Here I am going in with my Urban Decay Skin Primer. It's a color correcting primer. I feel like sometimes it's too heavy. I also feel like it does break me out at times. It's very thick. It's not something that I would recommend for normal everyday use, but it does definitely do the job. I do like the original Tightening and Brightening Skin Primer from Urban Decay, so I would recommend that one over this one, but this is just one that I wanted to show in the kit. Also, this is the Stila Aqua Glow Foundation that I used in my last video, and I'm applying it with Fix Plus and my sponge. I am also using my Urban Decay Naked Skin here. Favorite concealer. You will never hear of me without this concealer. It is game changer, people, and it's like so dirt cheap it's not even funny. It's the LA Girl Pro Conceal. My baking powder is the LA Girl Pro Setting Powder. It is amazing. I have it in banana yellow. It's also at Ulta Beauty for $5.99, as you can see in my little tag above. Applying my shadow primer and setting it with my LA Girl Pro setting powder. Let's dive right in. We are going to be using Bling Boss of the Jaclyn Hill Vault palettes, but I'm going to be starting with my base and transition color from the original Jaclyn and Morphe palette. this Hush Hush of the Bling palette. I really do love this palette. It is amazing. I used probably 8 colors in this eye look alone. The only problem color that I had was the bright pigmented purple. It was a very rough color to put on. It wasn't easy gliding. It wasn't smooth in texture at all. So that's the only downside of the palette, is the super bright color just not being there enough and having that kind of rough feel to it. Packing on this Rockstar color. I really want it to pop. I want to smoke it out, and I want to blend it out really nicely. When you smoke the underline of your eye, it really does create beautiful pigment around the eye and creates that really nice smoky appearance around the eye. So that's what I'm trying to do here with the color Rockstar. Using the brown from the original Jaclyn Morphe palette, I'm going to cover the transition area again, and then I'm going to go in and deepen everything with my stick. Going in on the inner and outer corners with a darker color will create a halo effect for you to brighten the inside of the eye. And that's what I'm doing with my Revolution concealer. This concealer is kind of like Shape Tape by Tarte. It's really good. It's really thick. So sometimes if you pack on too much, it's very noticeable and you have to kind of take it down a notch.
overheating issue. This is the final look. You're just missing lashes, lipstick, and some highlighter everywhere. But please like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.